Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the ASRock Z890 Taichi motherboard, a powerhouse designed for high-end gamers and overclockers. Let's explore what makes this board stand out. Now let's talk design. The Taichi boasts a sleek steampunk-inspired aesthetic with its signature cog and gear motifs. This isn't just for looks. The design incorporates a robust 25-phase power delivery system, ensuring stable performance even under heavy loads. The large aluminum alloy heatsinks and composite VRM heatsink with integrated fan and heat pipe efficiently manage heat, keeping your system cool during intense gaming sessions. When it comes to features, this motherboard is packed. It supports the latest DDR5 memory, allowing overclocking beyond 9600 MHz, thanks to ASRock's exclusive Memory OC Shield, which reduces electromagnetic interference for enhanced stability. With 6 M2 slots including one PCIe 5.0 slot, you're set for lightning-fast storage solutions. Connectivity is top-notch with Wi-Fi 7, offering higher data throughput and lower latency, and dual LAN ports, including a 5GB per second LAN for superior network performance. However, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users might find the $500 price tag a bit steep, especially when compared to other motherboards in the market. Additionally, the extensive feature set might be overkill for casual users who don't need advanced overclocking capabilities or multiple high-speed storage options. In terms of value for money, if you're a high-end gamer or an overclocking enthusiast, the Taichi offers a comprehensive suite of features that justify its price. Its robust design, extensive connectivity options, and support for the latest technologies make it a solid investment for those looking to build a top-tier system. If you're interested in exploring the ASRock Taichi further, check out the links in the video description for the latest deals and availability. So what are the pros and cons of choosing the Taichi? Cons: higher price point around $500. Feature set may be excessive for casual users. Pros: robust power delivery system for stable performance. Extensive storage options with 6 M2 slots. Advanced connectivity including Wi-Fi 7 and dual LAN ports. Support for high-speed DDR5 memory overclocking. In summary, the ASRock Taichi is a feature-rich motherboard tailored for enthusiasts seeking top performance and cutting-edge technology. Don't forget to check the video description for links to current offers, and if you enjoyed this review, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights.